this place to have some Thai foot massage. So let's see if it's open or not. Hey guys, we're done with the Thai foot massage and now going to my hotel, Ocean Paradise. Probably gonna go to huh? Hey guys, now going to my hotel, Ocean Paradise. I'm probably gonna go to the bar and have some drink, and after that we'll crash. So let's go. जाया देखी की है এখন চলেন ওশান প্যারাডাইস হাইটেই তো যাওয়া যাবে ও ভাইয়া তো চেক করতে হবে এগুলো চেক করতে হবে ভাইয়া বাসটা কোন দিকে লিফটের কত
লিফটের লেভেল 1 এ দিয়ে লেফট সাইডে দিয়ে দেখুন আরেকটা সিঁড়ি আছে ওটা উঠলে বাসা
level 1. Hey guys, we are going to the bar in the first floor. I've never been to the Ocean Paradise bar before. Fifth floor. Our first the lift is same like Seagull Hotel, golden interior. Lift take a name. After getting out of the lift you have to take the left, and then on the left you have to take the stairs. Yeah, bar কোন দিকে Where is the bar? Okay guys, we are lost. We don't know where we are. Can't even find the bar. Okay guys, finally found the bar. It's prohibited to use the camera inside the bar, so see you guys later. I cannot use the bar camera inside the bar, so see you guys later after drinking. If I can, I'll take some picture, but probably video is not allowed, so see you guys later. Hey guys, just came out of the just came out of the Ocean Paradise bar, and I'll say it's a disco as well, like full on bar disco. Super awesome, super nice, super super nice atmosphere and everything. Super awesome crowd. Everyone like full on disco and bar at the same time, and also restaurant. So yeah, we had couple of drinks, and hey guys, it was a full on disco and bar all at the same time. And now came out for a walk on the outside of the hotel, because it was so much smoking smoke inside the bar that probably I got a lung cancer or something. So it was like definitely like that. So yeah, so now having some fresh air, and after that we'll go back to my room. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I guess this is it for today. Nothing else to do. It's almost 12 a.m. in the morning now. So yeah, in Ocean Paradise, awesome 5-star hotel, awesome 5-star bar and disco and all at the same time. So yeah, so now I'm gonna end this vlog now. So if you guys when you guys watch my video, please like and share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And on that note, see you guys in the next one.